Suppose we had this expression, 3 times 4. Okay, this is a multiplication expression. The 3 is called a factor, and the 4 is called a factor. The answer to this would be considered a product, and that's where the answer would go. So let's go ahead and express 3 times 4. So one way that we can express 3 times 4 is we can simply just draw 3 groups. That's one group, 2 groups, 3 groups. And then we can say that there is 4 circles in each group. Okay? And in order to get the product, we would just simply count up the number of circles in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here we would have 12. Another way to express 3 times 4 is simply to draw an array. We can say there are 3 rows and 4 of these circles in each row. Here's my first row, here's my second row, and here's my third row, which is the 3, and then there's 4 in each, which is the 4. So now we've just expressed 3 times 4 using an array. So I'll write the word array up here. And up here maybe I'll just write the word groups. Okay? Another way that you can express 3 times 4 is by doing what we call a tape diagram. And by the way, students, we learned all these ways in class. So here we go. If we want to express 3 times 4, on this tape diagram, we would have to have 3 sections because that's the first number, and then 4 in each section, and then the total would be 12. This is again 3 times 4. Another way that we can express 3 times 4 is on a number line, right? And the way that we would do that, we would draw our number line. We're going to start at 0. And because there's 4 in each group, we're going to skip by 4. And we're going to skip by 4 3 times. This is the first time, it would be a 4. Sort of like counting up. We would skip 4 more, which would be 8. 4 more would be 12. Another way that we can express 3 times 4 another way that we can express 3 times 4 would simply be to just write 3 groups of 4. Okay? Another way that we can express 3 times 4 is to perhaps to write a word problem. So I could write something like maybe, let's see, Miss Hill had 3 cookies. Okay. She put, let's say, 4 chocolate chips in each. And then the question would be how many chocolate chips were there in all? Okay, very good. And we know, of course, this would be 12. And this 3 groups of 4 would also be 12. And there you have it. We just expressed 3 times 4 in several ways. We did it using a word problem. We did it simply by just saying 3 groups of 4. We did it by using a number line. We did it by using a tape diagram. We did it by using an array. And we did it by groups. So whichever way is most comfortable for you, that's what you should do when you're given a multiplication expression to figure out. And up here, I'm simply going to write 12 for the product because that's our answer. Ta-da! We did it! Bye! See you next time!